It's done. Now, let's give you a perspective. This is normal size. This is baby size. A lot of people have been seeing how small they can go with these Benchies, and people are throwing out numbers like 5%. With the .2 nozzle, the smallest I could get in any slicer was 15%. Now, that 15% means 7.2 millimeters tall, 4.6 millimeters wide, and 9 millimeters long. And that's 15%. So, is someone printing these smaller? I'd like to know what the actual dimensions are. What is your real size? I set this up at 5% and slice it. That's what it is. I mean, it's not gonna print. Also, don't do what I did. See this? Print with .2 nozzle. 3.5 hours. Now, if I would have had .4 nozzle in, it would have been like 22 minutes. But I did a whoopsie. Don't do that.